You've probably seen the thumbnails. Make $300 a day with AI. Passive income on autopilot. And yet, you're still not making a single consistent dollar from AI. You don't want to become a programmer. You don't want to dance on TikTok. And you're tired of vague promises that never turn into a real, repeatable process. In this video, you're going to see 3 concrete, realistic paths to turn AI into online income. Even if you're starting from zero, even if you don't want to show your face, and even if you're not technical at all. No magic tricks. No, click this button and get rich. Just real online income models where AI acts as a force multiplier. If you've been waiting for someone to explain this in a straightforward, honest way, this is that video. This video is for regular people who want to make money online, but feel completely overwhelmed by all the noise around AI. It's for you if you want to build real online income, not just chase the next hack. You don't want to be on camera, you're not technical, and you're willing to build something consistent over months, not days. This channel is called NeostAI, AI Income and Digital Leverage. Here, we focus on one thing, using AI as digital workforce to build and scale online income streams. Not tech theory, not tool reviews just for views, not get rich in 7 days nonsense. What we do here is break down income models, show you systems and processes, and then plug AI into those systems to make them faster and more scalable. So if you're looking for honest, grounded explanations, real use cases, and step-by-step blueprints, you're in the right place. Now let's start with a quick but important question. Why is AI such a powerful lever for online income right now? And then we'll go straight into the 3 concrete paths you can choose from. AI is not a money machine. AI is a time machine. It doesn't magically put money in your account, but it does 3 extremely valuable things. First, speed. Tasks that used to take hours, like outlining a video, drafting an article, or coming up with 20 content ideas, can now be done in minutes with a good AI workflow. That means you go from, I'll do it someday, to, it's done before lunch. Second, scale. Because AI speeds up the boring parts, you can produce more without working double. More videos, more posts, more scripts, more offers for clients, more products. In the past, to double your output, you almost always had to double your hours. With AI, you can often double or even triple your output with the same time, if you plug it into the right model. Third, access. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to buy expensive software. If you have an internet connection, basic computer skills, and the patience to learn some workflows, you already have access to AI tools that businesses are paying real money for. But here's the key point. AI by itself does not create income. It only becomes income when you connect it to a channel of attention and a monetization model. A channel of attention can be YouTube, a blog, a newsletter, Instagram, any platform where people actually spend time. A monetization model can be ads, affiliate marketing, freelancing, or digital products. AI plus an attention channel plus a monetization model equals online income. There are dozens of ways to do this, but if you're starting from zero, 3 paths really stand out because they're relatively simple to understand, don't require you to be on camera, and can grow into something real over time. Let's start with the first one. Path number 1, faceless YouTube plus AI. Think of YouTube not as viral videos, but as building your own media asset. In this model, you create a faceless YouTube channel where you never show your face. The voice can be AI or a human narrator. The visuals are B-roll, stock footage, simple animations, or slides. AI helps you generate video ideas that people are already searching for. Write full scripts in a clear, logical structure. Optimize titles, descriptions, and even thumbnail concepts, and research examples, data, and angles much faster. How does the money come in? Over time, a faceless YouTube channel can make money from AdSense once you qualify for monetization, from affiliate links in the description, and later from your own digital products or services. You're essentially building a content machine that keeps working for you 24/7. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you start a channel about AI for freelancers. A typical video might be how to use AI to turn one idea into 10 pieces of content. The process could look like this. You ask AI to generate 10 video ideas related to AI for freelancers who want more clients. You choose one idea and ask AI to outline a 10-minute video and write a script with an intro, main points, examples, and a clear conclusion. You take that script, record a voiceover, or use a high-quality AI voice, and combine it with B-roll footage, simple animations, or stock videos. Then you ask AI to suggest a few title options based on YouTube best practices, write a compelling description including relevant keywords, and even generate some thumbnail text concepts. At first, your views will be small. This is not a post one video wake up rich game, but each video you publish becomes an asset. It can keep bringing views and revenue months, or even years later. This path is ideal if you like ideas, research, and explaining concepts. You want to build long-term leverage, and you're okay with the fact that it might take a few months to see meaningful results. Path number 2, freelancing plus AI, services accelerated by AI. Maybe you don't want to wait months. Maybe you need money coming in sooner. In that case, freelancing plus AI is one of the most direct paths. In this model, you offer a service online, such as blog post writing, YouTube script writing, social media content, simple research and summaries, or basic content repurposing. AI becomes your drafting assistant, your speed booster, and your idea generator. It helps you create first drafts much faster, generate multiple variations, titles, hooks, captions, organize research and information, and polish grammar and clarity. Where do you find clients? On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, on LinkedIn by posting and doing outreach, on Twitter or X by sharing mini case studies and offers, or even with local small businesses that need help online. You're trading time for money, but with AI, your effective hourly rate can go up because you can do more in less time. Here's a simple example. Let's say you offer blog post writing. A client asks you for a 1,500-word article on a specific topic. Your workflow might look like this. First, you talk to the client and clarify the topic, the audience, the tone of voice, and the goal of the article. Then you ask AI to create an outline with headings and subheadings, and to suggest key points and structure. Next, you ask AI to write a first draft based on that outline. After that, you step in and do the real work. You fact-check, fix any inaccuracies, adjust the tone to match the client's brand, add or remove sections where needed, and make sure the article actually reads well. Now, instead of spending 4 hours from scratch, you might spend 1 to 2 hours editing and upgrading the AI draft. The client pays you for a high-quality article, not for how many hours you took. This path is ideal if you need faster income. You don't mind dealing with clients, deadlines, and briefs, and you're okay with active work in exchange for money, while using AI to compress the time required. Path number 3, digital products with AI, templates, prompts, the PDFs, and more. This path is all about creating assets that can be sold multiple times. You create and sell digital products, such as Notion templates, spreadsheets, or checklists, specialized prompt packs for specific audiences, or short guides, mini playbooks, and PDF frameworks. You can sell them on marketplaces like Gumroad, and later on, your own website or to your own audience. AI helps you generate product ideas based on real problems, draft the content and structure, create variations tailored to different niches, and refine the clarity and organization of your material. You do the thinking. AI helps with the heavy lifting and formatting. Here's a simple example. Imagine you create a product called 50 Prompts for Freelancers to Find Clients Faster, or AI Content System Checklist for Busy Creators. Your process could be You ask AI what the main problems and objections are that freelancers have when trying to get clients, and you turn those into prompt categories: outreach, portfolio, pitches, follow-ups, and so on. You ask AI to draft multiple prompts for each category and suggest examples of how to use them. Then you clean up the prompts, test some of them yourself, remove the weak ones, improve the language, and organize everything into a clear, well-designed PDF or template. You set up a simple sales page on a marketplace, add a clear description, and drive traffic to it from social media, YouTube, or your existing audience over time. Your first sale might take time, but once the product is up, it can be sold dozens or hundreds of times without you creating it again from scratch. This path is ideal if you prefer building something once and improving it, you like organizing systems, frameworks, and tools, and you're patient enough to let it grow over months. Now, the obvious question: which path should you choose? Instead of overthinking, use 3 simple filters. First, time available per week. If you have very limited time, like 5 to 7 hours per week, it usually makes more sense to focus on building assets. Faceless YouTube or digital products. You can move slowly but steadily and let the work accumulate. If you have more time, like 10 to 20 hours per week, freelancing plus AI can be a strong option to generate cash faster. You can still build assets later, but you'll have some financial breathing room. Second, financial urgency. If your financial urgency is high and you need money as soon as possible, freelancing plus AI is usually the most direct path to your first $100 to $500. If your urgency is lower and you can think in months, not weeks, faceless YouTube and digital products shine as long-term leverage plays. Third, personal profile. If you enjoy ideas, research, and explaining things, faceless YouTube is a natural fit. If you're okay with talking to people, handling requests, and delivering on deadlines, freelancing plus AI fits you well. If you love organizing systems, building templates, and creating tools or checklists, digital products are probably your best match. The most important part: you don't have to marry one path forever. But at the beginning, you should commit to one main path for the next 60 to 90 days. Not all 3. Not constant switching. Pick one, go deep, learn the basics, and then decide if you want to layer in a second path later. Let's bring this together. AI is not magic money, it's leverage. On its own, it doesn't pay you. But when you plug it into a real online model, it can transform the economics of your time. You've seen 3 main paths: faceless YouTube plus AI, building a media asset, growing an audience, and long-term income through ads, affiliates, and products. Freelancing plus AI, offering services using AI to work faster and deliver more, turning your skills into more immediate cash. Digital products with AI, creating templates, prompts, PDFs, and systems, and selling them over and over as assets. None of these are get rich in a week. All of them can build real income if you treat them like a serious project and give them months, not days. Now, here's what's next. On this channel, we're going to go deep into each of these 3 paths. One video will be entirely focused on how to build a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Another will break down freelancing plus AI, which services to offer, how to deliver, and how to get clients. And another will walk you through creating and selling digital products with AI, step by step. If you want to build an AI-powered income stream seriously, and you like this grounded, no-hype approach, subscribe to NeostAI. So you don't miss those breakdowns. And to close this video, do this. Go to the comments and write which of the 3 paths makes the most sense for you right now. YouTube, freelancing, or digital products? That's your first small commitment. You've seen the map. Now it's about choosing a direction and actually walking.